Hi there, today I have two 49 and Market mystery boxes that I got at the CKC Convention in Charlotte, North Carolina. And they actually had 4 boxes there, but I had to limit myself. And I asked them what were the most recently curated. And they said they just put the white box together. This came from Creative Creations. And then they were, this one and like a green one. What was next, and I like pink, so I'm like, okay, I'll go with the pink one. That must be a sign. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open the white one in this video, and then I'll do a separate video of me opening the pink one. So stick around and we'll have some fun. All right, I don't know about you, but I just love mystery boxes. They are so much fun, and you get such value because, you know, even though these were on sale for $59.99, even though they were, you know, that price, you get, I think it's up to like $200 worth of products. So these are 49 and Market boxes, and I always end up loving these. Their products are just amazing. So here we go. Hopefully it's going to open now. Let's see. Yep, I think, maybe. There we go. Oh, I did have, actually, it was the right way up that time. Ooh, we got a cloth bag. We sure do. How great is that? Look at those, the old-fashioned cars and trucks, motorcycle. Neat. Oh yeah. Nice travel bag. And let's see what's in it. 49 and Market Rustic Revs. Rustic and Revs Essentials Project Tote. Oh, Project Tote. It's got some little emerald enamel dots. Little enamel dots. Okay. Got some flowers. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Alrighty, so we got washi tape, Ticket Essentials. So we got stamps. Got stamps. Oh, neat. Very cool. Try not to get my camera to zoom all crazy and stuff like it does. Aren't they awesome? Very fun stamps. Then we've got tickets. Nice. And then more tickets. All right. Looks like we got a lot of greens and whites and some mustard yellow. Florals, very nice florals, wildflowers. And then 6x8 collection. This is color swatch. Is that okra? Oh, pretty, very pretty. So we got several of those. 3 of those. And then, I love the smell. Yes, love the smell of new paper. Pretty butterflies. Kind of got like the beehive or chicken wire in the background. Nice distressed look there. Okay. And we've got Grove Envelope Bliss, Color Swatch Grove again. Look at the little envelope. These would go good in mini albums. Well, you could even put it on a 12 by 12. Cute. If you put it on the outside of the plastic cover for a 12 by 12, but your mini albums, you could certainly, junk journals, mini albums, all the details, the story of this day, nice journaling kind of cards here, details, cute, definitely good journaling things. And they go in their little envelope. Ooh, and then we've got Rust and Revs, epoxy coated stickers. What did I say? Enamel. Yeah, those other ones were enamel. These are epoxy, kind of shiny. Then we've got Willow Acetate Assortment. Oh, you can see on the back. And then we've got, this goes with our okra. I think I'm saying okra. I think that's how you spell okra. And then we got butterflies and flowers. Coordinate quite nicely. Let's look at a couple of these. Just a couple. Oh yeah, pretty. Mini laser cut elements. I like this. I'm not over the top with it. Last year I got a lot of pinks and blues, which are more my style, but I mean, I'm thinking fall for these. They look like fall colors to me instead of spring, but oh, I like that teacup, coffee cup. Yeah, I always like their laser cuts. Aren't they awesome? Yeah, they're amazing. They're great for layering. Just layer and layer this stuff. And we could just cut this out, even though it's on there. You can cut that out. Use it. Oh, rub-ons. Pretty transfers. I do like those. This looks more like junk. Maybe I could do junk journal stuff with this. Oh, okay, now I'm excited. Very excited over this. Yes. So which line is this? This is vintage. Well, it would help if I could see. Even with my glasses, I can't see that small of print. Vintage something. Maybe there'll be another thing going with it. Oh yes, I love all this stuff. Now this is fun. So we've got some thread and buttons and little clips there. Cute, love, really, really love. These are popular right now. Let's see what's in here, because it's my favorite thing so far. And Electra's doing something with her bowl over there. I'm not sure what. Got tickets. Got little file folders. Oh, nice. 92 something. I wonder if I can cash it. More like kind of tags or tabs. Okay. Do like that. Favorite so far. Like these. Nice sturdy punch outs. Timeless, amazing, my heart, love this. Favorite memories together. Nice. This looks like burlap. We were made for this. Like these. Ooh, nice and lacy. We've got some more laser cuts. They're good at their laser cuts. Hey, look how delicate that looks. Look at that butterfly. Beautiful. Love these. There's our little chicken wire. That's awesome. Yeah, these laser cuts are well worth getting the box. And then I can cut this stuff out even though it's the insert. And then we got more rub-ons. I've been really liking rub-ons lately. I've been using them especially in junk journals, but you can use them in mini albums too. Love, look at that. Okay, I'm excited about this. Guess we can just look here. We've got butterflies and flowers and some just distressed stuff. Beautiful, love. Then we've got Rust and Revs again. My husband's a car guy, but not really this rusty stuff. Even though it's popular, that patina, it was more so last year, that leaving the car unfinished kind of look was. We've got lots of die cuts here, or laser cuts here. So butterflies and leaves. Oh, look at that lace. That's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it or if there's a glare on there. Let me see if I can just pull a couple out. You get 96 elements, 4 sheets with 96 elements. Not bad. So now I'm feeling like the price is worth it. Well, now that we're digging into these laser cuts and those other pieces that I really liked. These are just so amazing to work with. I love to layer, layer, layer. And you get plenty of them so that you can do that. Love you more. Stamps. Oh, pretty. This week, there's some journaling stuff. Look at that. It just looks like a lace border. But nice and sturdy. Oh, I love these little sayings. Put them on anything. Because even if you do like ATC cards or something smaller, you can always cut them, you know, and put them down the card. Don't have to go straight across. And then this I can cut out. And here's our other laser cut. Where did we already saw that one. Okay. Oh, more laser cuts. Just, no. Yeah, mini laser cuts. Same things, just mini. I'll take it. Then we got more of this with their laser cuts. Okay. Can work with that. This color's just not me. But I can make it me. I can just really doctor it up and make it me. So this is Academia. Academia. Ooh, yeah. First grade, second grade, you go through all the grades. Cute. I like the measuring tape. So these are my papers. We've got, looks like we've got journaling cards there too. Oh, that's these. I don't know if I'll use this. Maybe I'll give it to my daughter-in-law. Oh. See, I just love their papers. I mean, even if it's not exactly what, see, I could find something to use with that, surely. Cute. Hope this isn't zooming in and out. Sorry if it is. I'll try to keep them down lower. That's very useful. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to do it just for school. You can do it for other things. We're in the school of life forever, right? Well, as long as we're here on the earth. Got a little roller down there. I like that. You know, sometimes you can cut these out and you got something valuable on that strip. I really like that. That's cute. On the back, yeah, see, then you can keep that. There we go. Yeah, I like this. believe in yourself. I mean, yeah, and that you could use that for anything. Okay, we've got our Rust and Revs next. If I seem a little low energy, we went to this convention Friday morning till afternoon, and then I've been at a crop ever since. And I didn't get home from the crop till late last night, so but I wanted to dive into these because I hadn't gotten to look at them yet because I knew I wanted to do a video. So I had to wait till after the 2 days of the crop. Oh, I love the flag. It's like a desert trip. Oh, and this. On the back of there, we got blue jeans. Forever in blue jeans. I was singing that one day when I was doing these videos because I had just watched the Song Sung Blue movie. I like the maps down on there too. What do y'all think? I mean, do you like these? Do you like everything I've gotten so far? Or what's your favorites? Are you like me and you like the ephemera pieces a little bit more? And you know, I make mini albums to sell on Etsy too, so I could always use this. This could be someone else's jam. So then I make it and they want to purchase it. That's the other thing. Nice. All right, so that's the end of box number 1. I'm going to wrap this one up and I will link the next box on this video so you can go watch that one. Thanks for watching.